Hey yo, good day everyone. Ako po si Sky Reba. Welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. To become better, safer riders sa corner, we have to have pace. P-A-C-E. P as in Papa, A as in Alpha, C as in Charlie, E as in Echo. Pace. But it's not just about pacing. Hindi lang yun yung pacing na tinatawag. Meron pang mas malalim na kabuluhan ang pace para maging better, safer riders tayo sa corners. Okay, letter P. We have to be patient. We have to be patient, lalong-lalo na dito. We have to be patient na mag-slow down tayo before corner entry. We have to be patient to maintain a certain amount of speed or yung maintenance throttle sa mid-corner. We have to be patient. We have to wait until our bike is pointed at the corner exit bago natin buksan uli ang throttle before we can put in more throttle input. We have to be patient na when we are adding lean angle, we are patiently trailing off the brakes or trail braking. When we are approaching the exit of the corner, we are patient enough to wait na we have to take away lean angle before we can add throttle. That is letter P. Patience. We have to be patient in a corner. Now, letter A is alert. Being alert. And being alert, you have to use the basic riding skill of vision. And basic riding skill of vision, it's all about active scanning. We have to scan yung sa paligid natin. We have to be aware of our situation. Situational awareness. Ang kagandahan yan, if we have good situational awareness, we get a lot of information. Diba? We are alert, we acquire more information. Kapag marami tayong information na nakukuha sa paligid natin while we ride, we can make better decisions. Alam mo yun, we are going deep into a corner na blind corner. Kahit na alam na natin yung corner na yun, but it's a blind corner. Hindi natin alam kung anong nangyari dun sa kabila. So, we can depend on our alertness, active scanning. Parang sinisilip natin yung corner, di ba? Parang tinitingnan natin yung corner. Ano bang meron sa blind corner na yan? I have to stay in the outside part of my lane just to look into the corner. Tingnan natin yung corner. Because I want more information. I want to make better decisions when riding. I want to be ahead of my motorcycle. So A is being alert, active scanning, using vision. Okay, so we can make better decisions, so we can be safer and better sa cornering. Now, letter C. Letter C is being composed, or yung composure natin. Now, composure, it comes from confidence. Now, yung confidence, it comes from skill. Skill comes from knowledge, and knowledge comes from learning. So kung tayo ay may kagustuhan na matuto at tayo ay nagre-research, tayo ay nag-enroll sa mga courses, tayo ay nag-aaral, then nagkakaroon tayo ng mga skills. Yung skills na yun, iniipon natin yung sa sarili natin. We know when to use them, how to use them, why we are using them. Tapos pag nandun na tayo sa actual ride, sa sitwasyon na kinakailangan natin yung skill na yun, we can deploy the skill, we can use the skill. Kaya natin gamitin yung skill, and then we are confident about it kasi alam ko to inaral ko to, pinapractice ko to, sanay na ako dito. So ngayon meron tayong confidence, we are composed on the bike, we have the composure. Ngayon kapag tayo merong composure on the bike while cornering, we are steady sa corner na yon. We are, kalmado, calm, collected, then chill. Hindi porket sinabing chill is dapat maging mabagal. No, it's not that. Maraming nag-aakala na pag sinabing chill naku, mabagal ka. No, it's not. Yung chill, calm, collected, composed, confident, ang ibig sabihin nun is you are, letter C, you are in control of your motorcycle at all times. Ikaw yung hari at reyna. Ikaw yung nasusunod sa motor mo. Hindi yung motor mo magdidikta na, let's say for example, nag-run wide ka into a corner. Ibig sabihin nun, nanalo yung motor mo. Yung motor mo ang nagdala sa'yo dun sa para mag-overshoot ka. But if you have the skill na, teka mo na, nagra-run wide ako, alam ko to. I have to cut my radius. Kailangan paliitin ko ang radius ko. Uy, alam ko to, speed equals radius. Tama. Pero wait lang. Pag nag-lean ako, lean equals risk. Teka, wait lang. Counter steering. Okay, counter steering. Slow down. Braking zone, friction zone, clutch mo. Lahat na ng skill papasok sa utak mo. And then, because you are confident, you can make those decisions in a split second. Wala ka na dun sa overshoot. Naligtas mo na yung sarili mo. And pagkatapos nun, kalmado ka. Alam mo yung nangyari. Wow. Okay, sige, okay lang. Nagkamali ako doon pero naitama ko. Because you have the skills. Okay. Now, letter E. Letter E, bigla akong nalimutan ng letter E. No. Okay, letter E is being efficient. Efficiency. Being efficient on the motorcycle. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin nun, napakasimple lang. Less movement, less mistakes. Diba? Ang daming mga nagmumotor, ang daming mga nagko-cornering. Ang tawag nga nila is banking, yung term ng mga kamote. Ang lilikot nila, lipat dito, lipat doon, lawit puwit, lawit tuhod, lawit siko, lawit mukha, lawit kaluluwa, lawit na dangal, lawit na puri. Mamaya, lawit ang wallet sa ospital, lawit ang kaluluwa sa morgue, yan. Lahat na lang ilalawit. Ikot dito, ikot doon, galaw dito, galaw doon. Parang sabi nga ng nanay ko, parang kiti-kiti. So, less movements, less mistakes. Lalong-lalo na for street riding. Even sa racing, you can ask any racer or any race teams. Lalo na sa mga endurance race, the less you move, the less energy you spend. Ibig sabihin, matitipid mo yung energy mo, matitipid mo yung lakas mo. The more you can go on and ride longer distances. Pero kung yung nakakatatlong corner ka pa lang, lawit puwit, pagod ka na. And of course, yung sabi ko nga, less movement, less mistakes. So ibig sabihin nun, the more you move, the more yung tendency na magkamali ka. At pag nagkamali ka, hindi na magiging stable yung motor. At pag hindi naging stable yung motor, mako-compromise yung grip. Pag na-compromise yung grip, that's it. Simple lang na yun. So that's it. Yun yung pace. P-A-C-E. And of course, kung isa-summarize natin yan is, pagdating sa cornering, pacing lang tayo. Yung nararapat na pacing lang for the type of road, for the type of riding condition na meron tayo. Remember, we are on public roads. It's very unpredictable. And maraming variables na dapat isipin. Hindi ko naman sinasabing bugbugin natin yung isip natin sa ang daming iniisip pag nagra-ride. No, it's not. Napakasimple lang yan. Ang sagot dyan is, if we can make it a habit na safety of others, safety of ourselves, priority yun ha, safety of others, tapos safety natin. If we make it a habit, tapos if we make it a habit na, hey, I have to learn, I have to acquire knowledge, riding knowledge. O sige, tapos meron na ngayon akong riding skills, tapos magpa-practice ako, and then I do it over and over again, and I become consistent sa ginagawa ko. It becomes a habit, wala na. Pag nag-ride na kayo, wala na kayong iniisip. You are better, safer riders sa corners na hindi nyo na iniisip kasi nasa katawan nyo na, nasa sistema nyo na. It's a long-term process but it's worth it. Kasi ang award dun o ang premyo dun is that we can ride more and more each day. I'll see you on the road. I'll see you on another video. This is Mankinara.